What's the meaning of chiropractor? Chiropractor. Chiropractor.
Chiropractor. Chiropractor. A chiropractor is a healthcare professional who specializes in diagnosing and treating conditions related to the musculoskeletal system, particularly the spine. They use a variety of techniques to manipulate the spine and other parts of the body to help alleviate pain, improve mobility, and promote overall wellness. Chiropractic care is often sought for back pain, neck pain, headaches, and other joint or muscle-related conditions. Chiropractors may also work with patients to develop exercise and healthy lifestyle plans. Overall, chiropractic care is a non-invasive, drug-free approach to managing many common health issues.